Hello friends, today we'll be making pho with chicken, or we call it, just a simple chicken pho. I already cleaned my chicken already, ready to chop for use. We'll be using cilantro roots to throw into the broth, and then also to garnish we're going to be using Vietnamese cilantro, along with green onions, cilantro. These are mint. I need to clean them yet. And then also basil. And then we're going to be boiling some meatballs. And then, of course, your brand of pho that you'll be using. Today I'm using the 3A brand. That's the brand I usually eat. So that's the brand I prefer. So stay tuned with me and I'll show you how to cook or make the broth. Okay, I boil my chicken along with putting in the cilantro roots along with some lemongrass. I am soaking my pho noodles. I'm gonna make sure to soak the noodle all the way, to make sure you have water to soak it all the way up to the top. This is actually warm water. Okay, when your broth starts to boil, they're gonna have these dirty foam, so you need to, string these dirty foam out so that your broth is clean. Okay.